Big knife.
Nice.
Five. Little knife. Five. Little knife. Yeah.
What's that?
Five.
Little spoon? Five big knives. Doing good. Thank you. Yeah, there's more. There you go. Good. Yeah, you can eat eggs with a spoon.
And Mommy, hold.
Keep putting them away. Oh, don't worry about that. That's okay. Here. Keep putting the silverware away. Were you singing a song when you were doing it? What's your silverware song? Bye, bye.
Bye, pretty fork. Bye, Mommy. Bye, Daddy. Bye, Daddy.
Whose spoon is that?
Cottage cheese.
Oh, for cottage cheese. Can you put it in the drawer? Those go in the drawer too.
Pretty soon.
It goes in the drawer.
At the door.
In the drawer.
And door.
Good job.
And the door.
Yeah. What's that?
Fork.
Fork, right.
Little fork.
A little fork, yeah.